Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So children, today we are going to study subject English for class 4. Okay? Yes. So in the previous lecture we have completed up till page number 86 in your workbook. Now we are moving further with the next exercise. See on the page 18, question number 3 in your Marigold workbook. See what is given. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. Okay. What is written? See, fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs in the simple future tense. ये जो तुमको FIP दी हुई है, in that you have to use verbs. Okay. Verbs तुम लोग use करोगे, but in the which tense you will use in a future tense. Okay. And in the workbook here in the at the side you have given options also. Okay. See what is the first one? See example is also given. We dash the museum on Sunday. So क्या है visit? अब हमने you have already learned in the grammar, right? We use will with will किसके साथ use करते हैं हम? He, she, it, you, they. इन सब के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Will. What we use? Will. And shall किसके साथ यूज करते हैं? I और V के साथ. समझ में आया? सिर्फ I and V के साथ हम लोग shall यूज करेंगे. Rest all will use will. Okay, so like that here also you will do Ankita dash with us for the picnic. Ankita dash with us for the picnic. तुमको क्या दिया हुआ है? Come. So Ankita means a girl. Girl मतलब girl के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? She. So she के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Will. Clear children? Now next see the children dash quietly in the class. So what did the children do? Sit. Sit है so children means it is plural. So again here we will use the children will sit quietly in the class. Clear after this? Now next see if you trouble the dog it dash you. So तुमको ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है bite, so it will bite you. Yes or no children? Yes. Now next, father dash me Sanskrit tomorrow. So what is your option? See, father dash me Sanskrit tomorrow. So तुम्हारा ऑप्शन है teach. So father means he. Yes or no? जो मेल होते हैं उनके लिए हम feel he use करते हैं. So will teach. Next है the sun dash at 6:30 p.m. So the sun set है, set दिया हुआ है तुमको ऑप्शन में. So what you are going to use? The sun will set. Clear? Now next is you. So you के साथ हम again will use करेंगे. You will, what you are going to use? Finish your homework. Yes or no? And next, I dash some notebooks tomorrow. So, buy है. अब यहाँ पे देखो क्या है? Here it is given I. So, I के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? I shall buy some notebooks tomorrow. Clear? Future tense. अब देखो next exercise है question 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of a verb. अब तुमको यहाँ पे यूज करना है correct form. Okay? See what is given. यहाँ पे तुमको एक एग्जांपल दिया है. यहाँ पे तुमको फर्स्ट वाले एक्सरसाइज में तुमने फ्यूचर टेंस किया था. Now in this exercise you are going to do past tense. Okay. See first one it is given. We dash for a movie last Sunday. अब go है तो हम past में कैसे लिखते हैं? Go, went, right? इस तरह से लिखते हैं. See, so, clear? So like this you will make. So first तुमको दिया हुआ है go. So in the first blank you use went. अब देखो नेक्स्ट क्या है? The teacher dash us story tomorrow. अब tomorrow दिया हुआ है, वहां पे प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है. So tomorrow जहाँ tomorrow लिखा है वहां तुम क्रॉस लाइन करके yesterday लिखोगे. Okay? So this is a because this is past tense. So past tense में कभी भी tomorrow नहीं आता है, yesterday आता है या day before yesterday. Okay? या last Sunday, last week like it is coming. So you will write yesterday here. So the teacher tell है. So past में क्या हो जाएगा? Told. अब थर्ड नंबर है मदर डैश सम फ्रूट्स लास्ट इवनिंग. देखो सी ये देखो इट कम्स लास्ट. ओके सो बाय है. सो बाय का क्या हो जाएगा पास्ट में? बॉट. क्लियर? I will explain you up till 3. Rest you will do by yourself. Now turn the page on 88. See what is given. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives. अब adjectives use किए हम कर रहे हैं. You have already learned in the grammar of adjectives कैसे use करते हैं. See the peacock is a dash bird. Adjective means the word which gives a meaning, proper meaning to a sentence. That is known as an adjective. See जैसे है the peacock is a beautiful bird. Peacock है वो bird है, but कैसा bird है? It is a very beautiful bird, right? So हमको एक meaning दे रहा है, so that's why it is known as adjectives. Okay? Now next, see the second number. What is given? Amar is a dash boy. So Amar is a boy, but कैसा boy है? He is a good boy. Clear? Like this you will make. Next is this. The dog is a dash animal. Dog is animal, but वो कैसा animal है? Pet animal है. Yes or no? हम dog को अपने घर में pet animal की तरह रख सकते हैं ना? Yes. Now next है. This is a dash picture. So picture तो है, but कैसा है? Beautiful picture है. Okay? Like this you will make. So I have explained you up to 4. Next you do by yourself. See what is the next exercise? Fill in the blanks with the and, but, or. तुमको and या फिर but or else you can use or. Okay. See what is the first one? Do you like the pink dress? Dash the white one. So which one you like? Pink or a white? So in the first blank what you are going to use? Or. Okay. अब देखो next what is given second. I called Meena dash she did not come. So what is that? I called her but she did not come. Clear? अब देखो next क्या है? We will make puppets dash sell them at the fair. So we will make the puppets and हम पहले क्या है question का meaning what is given? First of all we will make the puppets and then we will sell it in the market. Okay, so now see on the page 89. Write the names of the places. Place का नाम लिखना है तुमको. देखो first क्या है? A place where you go to worship. हम worship means जहाँ पे हम pray करने के लिए जाते हैं. तो वो कौन सी जगह होती है? That is a temple. Okay, so in the first one you will put right temple. Okay, brackets are also given. See second, a place where animals are kept. जहाँ पे animals को रखा जाता है उस जगह को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What we say to it? We say it as a zoo. Okay. अब देखो next क्या है? A place where fruits and vegetables are sold. जहाँ पे fruits और vegetables मिलते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? That is known as a grocery store. Okay. Now see what is the next one? Fourth number. A place where we go to see sports and games. हम स्पोर्ट्स या फिर गेम्स देखने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? Go to stadium. Yes or no? Yes. Now see what is the fifth number? A place where we deposit our money. हमको अगर हमारी मनी सेव करनी है, okay? We want to save our money for the future. So where we deposit it? We deposit it in the bank. हम बैंक के लॉकर में रखते हैं ना हमारी मनी सेव करने के लिए. Yes. So in the fifth number you will write bank. अब देखो next क्या है? A place where trains arrive and depart. So where does the trains arrive and they depart? It is on the railway station. Okay. अब देखो next है 7 number. A place where medicines are sold. So medicines कहाँ पे sold की जाती हैं? Pharmacy. Where it is? Pharmacy. Okay. अब next है 8 number. See, a place where fire engines are kept. So fire engines कहाँ रखी जाती है? Where they kept? They kept it on fire station. Okay. Now see what is the 9 number. A place where sugar, tea, etc. is sold. Sugar और tea और जो सामान हमको चाहिए होता है वो where it is sold in the market. Next है a place where vehicles are repaired. हम व्हीकल्स अगर खराब हो जाते तो हम कहाँ ले जाते हैं? वी टेक इट इनटू गैराज. ओके, नेक्स्ट है अ प्लेस वेयर वी गो टू सी द मूवीज. सो वेयर वी गो? इन द थिएटर. नाउ लास्ट नंबर, अ प्लेस वेयर द इल आर ट्रीटेड. सो इल मतलब जो बीमार होते हैं वो कहाँ जाते हैं? वेयर दे गो? दे गो टू द hospital. Okay, so we have completed up till page 89. So we will meet in the next lecture. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.